Showing right here on the screen, I was able to get a $5,000 free Profem account. As you can see, I've been able to get mine, and I will show you how you can get yours as well in this video. And I'll also be talking about the terms and conditions you need to meet before you can be able to get your payouts from this particular Profem. As you can see, I have gotten mine already, and the steps to get this account is very simple and straightforward. But before we proceed to how you can get this particular account, please take a few minutes of your time to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment of where you are watching from. And also, if you have gotten yours, if you're able to get yours, don't forget to send proof to me and also drop a comment saying you have gotten yours, so that people can know that this is real and they can get theirs as well. So to get this account, check the description or the pinned comment section of this video. You find the link that will lead you to my Telegram channel right there. And in my Telegram channel is where you are going to find the link to get this particular account. So once you click on the link, it is going to take you to where you have to sign up. So just input every details required right here, and then you click on create account. So you might be facing one or two issues while trying to create account, but just keep on trying creating the account. It is going to load eventually. All right. So after creating the account, they are going to send code to your email. As you can see right here, I just have to input the code right here, and as you can see, it wrote invalid code at first, but you have to input it again and keep trying until it eventually logs in, and then you can proceed to getting this particular 5k account. So after getting to the dashboard, you just have to scroll down until you find the place where it says get the account. As you can see, I just click on dashboard and I just have to wait patiently for it to load. And as you can see right here, I just have to scroll down, click on the two-step, and then you select the 5k account, and then you select MT5, and you come here where it says discount code, and then you input this particular discount code. So this is the code you input right here, and then you click on apply code. As you can see, you are supposed to get this account for $49, but after inputting the code, then you click on the claim free. All right, you click on the claim free, and you have to input your name and every other details required, and then you agree to all of this, and then you proceed. All right. So after proceeding, they are going to be sending some details to your email. As you can see right here, click on claim free after getting to this particular place. So it may not work at once, but you just have to keep trying. As you can see right here, this is the email I got from them saying payment successful. So I just have to proceed to the dashboard, and I have to log in to MT5 and I can start trading. All right. So the email they sent is going to contain your login ID and other stuff you need to log into your MT5. And I have gotten mine already. As you can see, I have been able to log into the MT5 and I can start trading with this particular account. As you can see, this is the details I got, my login details to MT5. And so this is just a simple way by which you can get this particular free 5k account, and I hope you've been able to get yours. If you have, please subscribe and also like the video, and don't forget to drop a comment so that more people can know that this is real and they can get theirs as well. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.